So I hung the TV today, and this is either going to be the world's dumbest idea or the best idea. Um, Half my screen is black now after I hung the TV. I don't know why, and no one seems to know how to fix it. But a guy in India took a bat to the left top corner of his TV, and he said it's a fix. I cannot believe I'm doing this, but fuck, I don't know. Let's give it a try. Let's turn it on. See? That's all clear. That's all black. So I grabbed a stick. Well, it went all black, so I think I should put a towel around this. Dude, this is gonna be really stupid. Alright, let's turn it off and on again. You said to hit it right here. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's turn it on. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Fuck. 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 What the fuck was I thinking? Holy shit. The bat idea is not good at all. God damn it.